To thank you players for delivering that title. I think we've shocked, even the whole country. No one, Gor, this run we've done, even in terms of the point study that we've acquired, it's a very competitive league right now, and it'll be even more competitive next season. But we'll be together throughout that journey. Hopefully we'll get back to the time we used to have those tournaments in East Africa. Maybe there's a time again we'll go back to Everton, who knows. But for me, I'm seeing a hopeful time. I see all those things coming true. So for me today is to thank you all, players, technical bench, the whole team of Gor Mahia for making us proud. Even for the brand, we are proud to be on the shirts of Gor Mahia. So today is a celebration. I don't know when we're doing the parade, but for today, we had promised an award, and today we're going to award 3.65 million shillings to the team. I heard nowadays in the league, there's no prize money. I don't know why. Maybe that's a conversation for another day. And even for FKF, that trophy, there's not a trophy. This trophy we have here, it looks good. Me, I like it. You know, winning, the feeling of winning. Even if you're given a glass, you'll be very happy to hold it. So for us, even at Gor Mahia, we're happy. We've lifted the trophy. We're the champions of Kenya. Alafu FKF, kama wanataka usaidizi kutafuta trophy nzuri waniambie. There was a time we were sponsoring the league and we had an amazing trophy. I don't know what happened to it. Oh, you guys have it, eh? Because you won 3 times in a row. FKF wakitaka usaidizi, we know where to source for amazing trophies. We'll saidia them. But we are happy that we're the champions right now. And we will be the champions again the next season. Coach, thank you very much. You've done an amazing job. I'm happy to hear you're staying with the team. And Gor Mahia, when we go to CAF, we will support again. We'll be there together throughout.